Hello students of class 3. Today we are going to read the chapter 1.2 from your social studies textbook. The earth, how it looks. Before we go on to the reading, like always, we will read the new words first. S-U-P-P-O-S-E, suppose. C-R-A-W-L-I-N-G, crawling. S-I-M-I-L-E-R-L-Y, similarly. M-O-D-E-L, model. G-L-O-B-E, globe. C-I-T-I-E-S, cities. C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S, countries. M-E-T-A-L, metal. R-O-D, rod, metal rod. C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S, continents. O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans. A-S-I-A, Asia. A-F-R-I-C-A, Africa. E-U-R-O-P-E, Europe. A-M-E-R-I-C-A, America. A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A, Australia. A-N-T-A-R-T-I-C-A, Antarctica. P-A-C-I-F-I-C, Pacific. A-T-L-A-N-T-I-C, Atlantic. I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian. A-R-C-T-I-C, Arctic. S-Y-M-B-O-L-S, symbols. Now we go with the reading of the chapter. Chapter 1.2, the earth, how it looks. Suppose you have a big ball and a little ant is crawling on this ball. Can the ant see the whole of the ball at once? No, it can't. The ball is too big for the little ant. It can see only that little part of the ball which is in front of it. Similarly, our earth is too big for us. We can't see the whole of it at once. We can see only a little part of it which is in front of us. Then how can we see the whole of the earth? There can be two ways to do this. By sitting in a spaceship and flying high above the earth. Number 2, by making a small model of the earth and looking at it. Even then, we can't see the whole earth at once. We know that the earth is round. We can see only that half of it which is in front of us. In order to see the other half, we will have to take our spaceship round to the other side of the earth, or we will have to rotate the globe so as to bring the other half in front of us. It is not easy for us to go up in a spaceship and see how the earth looks, but it is very easy to see the earth with the help of a globe. The globe. A model of the earth is called globe. It is shaped like a ball. It is a much smaller version of the earth. It shows different cities, countries, mountains, rivers, and many other such things that are found on the surface of the earth. A globe is usually mounted on a stand. A metal rod passes through its center. We can easily turn the globe since it rotates around this rod. A globe and the earth. A globe is not fixed. It turns on the metal rod that passes right through it. This metal rod is just like the axis of the globe. Like the globe, the earth too is not fixed. It continuously turns around its axis. The Earth's axis is not a metal rod. It is an imaginary line going through the center of the Earth. We can see only one half of the globe at one time. The other half of it is hidden from our eyes, since it is on the other side of the globe. Similarly, only one half of the Earth faces the sun at one time. The other half faces away from it. That half does not get sunlight. It is night there. When we rotate the globe on its metal rod, we can see its other half. Similarly, when the Earth rotates on its axis, the other parts of the Earth comes before the sun. Now, they get sunlight, meaning it is day there. See it yourself. The Earth rotates on its axis from east to west. You can have an idea of this movement if you rotate the globe slowly from left to right. If you flash light on the globe with a torch, you will understand how day and night takes place. Children, you can understand this by the picture and do it by yourself at home. Continents and oceans. If you look at the surface of the Earth as shown on the globe, you will see that it has two main parts, land and water. The land part is shown in brown color. It is about 30% of the Earth's surface. The water part is shown in blue color. It is about 70% of the Earth's surface. Look at the large bodies of water on the Earth's surface. They are called oceans. Now look at the large bodies of land on the Earth's surface. They are called continents. The top end of the Earth is called the North Pole. The bottom end of the Earth is called the South Pole. There are 7 continents in the world. They are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. These continents are surrounded by oceans. There are 4 oceans in the world. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The largest ocean is the Pacific. The smallest ocean is the Arctic. The largest continent is Asia. The smallest continent is Australia. India lies in the continent of Asia. Maps. Maps show a part of the whole of a place on the earth in detail. A number of symbols and different colors are used to show various places. So we have maps that can show us all the details on the surface of the earth. We can easily carry maps from one place to another. Types of maps. Maps can be of different kinds. A map can be made on paper. It can be made on a board or on a wall also. It can be big or small. We can hang big maps on a wall. Such maps are called wall maps. A map which shows the whole of the Earth's surface is called a world map. There are some maps that only show the states of a country. Some maps show mountains, rivers, continents, and oceans, etc. Maps are more useful than a globe. Maps give us more detailed information than a globe. But maps cannot show us the true shape of the earth. The earth is round in shape and maps are drawn on a flat surface. Look at this map. It is the map of Asia. It is the biggest continent in the world. Our country is a part of Asia. It is in the south of Asia. A book of maps is called an atlas. It has many different types of maps. It can have maps of the world, maps of continents, maps of countries, and many other maps. Directions. All maps follow the four main directions. These directions are east, west, north, and south. If you are standing in front of a map, the upper end shows the north, the lower end shows the south, to your right is the east, to your left is the west. Now look at this map of India and study directions. Points to remember. A model of the earth is called the globe. A drawing of the earth on a flat surface is called a map. The earth moves round its axis from west to east. Large bodies of land on the earth's surface are called continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Large bodies of water on the earth's surface are called oceans. There are 4 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. All maps follow the 4 main directions. These directions are north, south, east, and west. Children, I hope you will read this lesson as often as you can. So bye-bye for now. Happy reading. Keep reading.